Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning in the monthly for March, and my plan is to use the Coffee Planner Mom Brights kit. Now, as you can see, I've used this kit before. I originally got it and used it for like back to school because I just felt like the primary colors that I know there's purple. I know my primary colors, but the rainbowiness of it gave me back to school vibes. But then I thought, this would be a great month to use it too because of like St. Patrick's Day and spring starting, and just giving it kind of those like rainbow pot of gold type vibes in this one. So I'm going to take this off the discs actually today. I've started doing that a whole lot more. Thank you. Let go. Oh, did I grab more than one? I did. I grabbed the currently too. Okay, so I think what I want to do is I'm actually going to use the date covers up here, because why not? And it'll bring out a little bit more. Might trim them a little bit though. Woot woot. I like that. I know it's like a turquoisey up there, but that doesn't really bother me. And then the other thing I was thinking about doing was actually cutting up these boxes to like go in my empty areas here. But before I do that, because I could go crazy, I want to put down boxes for the appointments I have, because I think that's important. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there anything else I'm missing? No. Okay, so let's do these guys here. Oh, there's a sprinkle in the way. A sprinkle in the way. Four, and then 1, 2. This guy here. All right, so those Post-its can be put away. Or sticky notes, sorry, sticky notes. I do track with that. And all of these appointments are actually around the same time, like noon, 12:30. Just kind of depends. Yeah, I think I will cut these guys apart. And then we can do some fun quote things. Do you think the rainbow one should go up here? I think so. I'm not sure I'll use the orangey purple one. Not sure. Or do we want to do it that way? That might be fun. No. If we're going to get the full square, we got to do it this way. And even then, it's going to be questionable. This is when I need an X-Acto knife. But what we're going to do is fold it. Take the pieces of sticker off my scissors here. A little bit of a mess, just a little. Let's see what we can, I bet you. Can we just move this? Here it changes it just a little bit. Hang on. Just to give it like a cleaner edge. Yeah, no, that bothers me. Very few things with stickers bother me, but that kind of does. I think we're just gonna have to leave it, which is fine. It works, we'll make it work. And then down here, I might be able to just like layer going this way. Oh, I hate it when I have ideas. I mean, I don't, but I just had an idea. What if I did a... All right, so I'm kind of making a flag. Let's see what happens. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna try and puzzle piece it together, guys. I don't know if it's gonna work. Then I want to do this one next. Oh, should I just put him down and then I don't have to worry about cutting it? Good gravy, Holly. Let's see, can I pull you back up? Huzzah. All right, so this guy's actually gonna go. So like, okay, wait. I would also like to throw out right this second that I was never very good at puzzles. Yep, okay. My brain just had to process a moment. Should also not do it this way. Hang on. This guy goes down first. Okay. This guy. Make a flag. Fold it pretty side in. That's fun. And then this guy has to go here-ish. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. And then like I have that little bit of space there. I wonder if I took that. Looks a little odd. What if I took this guy? No way. I mean, I know that some of the dots are off. It's fine. But that's kind of fun. Hey, random surprises, guys. Random surprises. And then I was going to do the I Decide My Mind. Would killing it look better there? Or I decide my vibe. Let's see. With the white outline, that kind of helps out. I think it's killing it. I think it's that one. Ah! Let's move you here for a moment. You just chill there. This is turning out super fun. All right, so we got that done. So that's like the decorative part of things. I wonder if I can throw I Decide My Vibe somewhere and it still like work. I could do it there. Kind of help out that yucky edge. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Oh, that's coming out nice. I like it. I still have one full box and I feel like I need to put it somewhere, but I'm gonna try and show some restraint. I'm gonna put some bullet points for things that are coming up. Oh no, what is that? Sharpie is laying down in the closest thing to a sunny spot he can find. These are just schedule reminders. I'm not going to write down what the schedule reminders are for, because that's more for me than it is for you. Just one reminder that those things are happening. Oh no, come back. Happening there. The pink circles, just so you know, those were we were doing a challenge in for Pink Zebra ladies, and one of the things was circle all the dates that you would be willing to do a party, and so that's why those circles are there. So they're not really for anything else. I think what I want to do too is I'm going to add this sticker down here, and most of you know I do zone cleaning, which is I almost said Coffee Planner Mom thing. It's not. I'm just used to talking about Coffee Planner Mom. Oh, it dropped down there. It's a Fly Lady system thing, but one thing that I don't do is a 2-minute hotspot. And I would like to get back into doing that. So we're going to throw this up here. Right? Because, and picks like one thing a day to do, like Monday, mail. Tuesday, since we're doing towels on Tuesday, why don't we do swish and swipe? That's like a quick wipe down of the bathrooms. Wednesday, table. We don't really eat at our dining room table. It becomes like a catch-all place. I think Friday, well, I should do her. I might not fill the rest of that out. I'll go back, and car needs to be one of them. Just a quick car thing. That might have to be Friday, but I put it on Thursday, so we'll see. And then I'll fill out the rest later. Saturday and Sunday, since those are my two like big, like when I do the actual zones, I'll probably, write that down. Like that's the days I focus on the actual zone I'm in. So like these little things are like, set the timer for 2 minutes, do what you can, call it good, come back to it later. I think that is it for this spread. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I do have a code for Coffee Planner Mom. I forgot to say that. Let's pop it up there. I'm getting better at popping the code up. It's Holly15 for 15% off, and you get a really awesome freebie when you use my code. So I hope you do so, and I'll catch you all in the next one.